To access your map first, go to the View section. From the View section, select the Maps tab. On the left-hand side, double-click your map. From your map, you can view the status of your cameras and also access their history. Click on a camera to pull up its information. Now we can see the live view for the camera. To open the camera in a tab, select the Open a New Tab option. Navigate the timeline for events by scrolling out to zoom out or scrolling in to zoom in. And select the time frame that you want to view. To access the camera's events and motion history, select the corresponding tab. Here you can view the camera's analytic data,